Hi builders, welcome to the Sitebot tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I am your success coach, and in this tutorial I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Sitebot tool and show you a few important things you need to know before you can get started in creating your very first Sitebot. So right here we are on the dashboard, and in the middle you're going to see the activity that is happening on your Sitebot. In this example, we've got one flow, we've got 19 visitors in the last 7 days, and one person that has subscribed to Mailing Boss. You can filter it according to 30 days and all time by just clicking on the buttons right here at the top. Below is your flow list. Now, what is the difference between a flow and a folder? A folder is basically the container where you can add multiple flows in. So for an example, right here, we have got a folder called Builderall. You might be an agency and you will have multiple companies that you're working with, and you would be able to create a folder for each one of them. So let's go and create another folder. We're going to click add folder, and we're just going to call it my agency, and we're going to click on add. Now you can see it's been added right here at the top. Now, if you do not want to use it, you can always click on delete folder and it will remove it, or you can click on edit folder and you would be able to change the name of it accordingly. And you would also be able to search all your different kinds of flows, especially if you have got quite a lot of them and you just need to sort them a little bit, then the search function is right there for you. On the left hand side is the dashboard icon, which is just going to bring you back to the beginning, and then to add a flow. Now you can add a flow either from the left hand side with the button right here, or you can go to the blue button that says add flow right there. You can also add a folder, the same like we just did with the button in the middle, and you can import a flow. Now it's important to remember that any flow that's been imported needs to be in a JSON file for it to be able to work. So if another user inside of Builderall is going to share this with you, they would be able to download it as a JSON, and they will be able to upload it as well into your account. Now that we've discussed this, let's go and add a flow inside of my agency. So the way to do that is to make sure that you click on my agency and then add flow. If you are going to do it the other way around, and I'm going to go back to the dashboard, if you're going to click add flow, it's just going to fall underneath these folders and it's not going to be part of a specific folder. So we're just going to click on my agency and we're going to add a flow. So let's just call this Agent X. And we can see that we've chosen my agency. You can make use of the drop down and choose another if you've made a mistake, but in this case that's where we want it, and we're going to click add. Now it has been added right there. If I go back to the dashboard, you're going to see we've got my agency there. There is two flows now, and then we've got Builderall at the bottom. Going back to the top, and that is basically all there is with regards to this tutorial. I urge you to go watch the other tutorial where we are going to create your very first Sitebot. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye.